started Tibu Health with one objective in mind: to make it easier for people to access quality healthcare services with more time to spend on the things that matter to you. We're cognizant that collaborating with each of you is the most efficient way to achieve this. The people who depend on all of us, patients, employees, and every corporate who's here, need our synergies to be able to benefit from what we're building. That's why we're excited and grateful to have you join us tonight.
It's a pretty special day for us. We started this healthcare journey in 2020 is when we went live. We think that there's a lot of room for improvement in the current health system. And our main objective is two things. How do we connect patients to doctors fast? And how do we improve the patient experience when they're with the physician and when they're with the clinical encounter? So we decided to integrate that virtual journey into the home-based journey. And as time kept progressing, we had people saying, hey, I want to come to you. We had our partners saying, hey, I want to send patients to you. And so we started thinking about a new in-person experience. And this is what we call the omni-channel model, where there's multiple patient touch points. You have the home, you have the virtual, and now you have the in-person wellness hub or clinic, as we say.
The idea that we have is accessible healthcare doesn't mean that for a patient it's just healthcare you find anywhere. It's quality healthcare, it's quality affordable healthcare, and that's what we want for our patients. And we can only do so much on our own. That's why we have everyone here. Your partnership is what enables us to reach as many patients as we can possibly can. We want to be able to offer and afford that experience to every single person, regardless of their financial status.
Today we were launching our new tech-powered clinic. There's going to be a great impact in the healthcare space, especially since we deliver healthcare services at home or in your office, as opposed to you having to go to the hospital to see your doctor. Although even now with the launch of this new tech-powered clinic, you also now have the option of going to see your doctor if that's what you do prefer. With that, I think it's enough to make an impact in the Kenyan healthcare space and even in Africa as a whole.
We are known for the home-based care, virtual healthcare, but now we are launching the first ever wellness hub, something that is quite different in terms of healthcare in Kenya. So we are happy to have had partners who have come and enjoyed what you have to offer in terms of wellness, health, and just making sure having a good time all around.
What Tibu are doing is amazing, and I really think they're going to go very far with what they have planned. The idea of convenience when it comes to healthcare, as was mentioned earlier, a lot of people spend hours waiting in hospitals. So for Tibu to provide that convenience is beyond amazing.
Personally speaking, I think what Tibu is doing to bridge the gap between convenience and healthcare in Kenya is perfect. And I think that's actually the best thing about Tibu. In Kenya, we don't have such things that actually help us go and get healthcare or see a medical professional or see a doctor without having to go and wait. The addition of the new wellness clinic that Tibu are launching, it's a plus as well, because already they do the home care. And if we can actually go to a wellness center that we don't actually have to go through the same things that we're trying to avoid in the hospital with the crowds and the lines and the waiting, it's definitely something that we are used to. Me, I'll definitely go first to the Tibu Wellness place, the clinic, before I go to a hospital.